So, you don't have a college degree, but your bank account still wants to live its best life? Don't worry, you're not doomed to a lifetime of ramen noodles and questionable side hustles. Today, we're counting down the top 5 highest paying jobs that don't need a degree, and yes, some of them pay way more than your cousin's practical business degree. Let's go. At number 5, commercial pilot, not airline, but still cool. Yep, you can fly for money without a fancy degree. Training and licenses are required, but think of it as adult Hogwarts, only with turbulence instead of magic spells. Average salary? Around $130,000 a year. And honestly, nothing says, "I win at life," like casually saying, "Oh, I'm off to work," by air. At number 4, elevator installer and repairer. If you like heights but hate paying college tuition, this is your jam. Install, repair, and maintain elevators and escalators, and make $100,000 plus a year doing it. And bonus, nobody will ever call you boring at parties, unless you describe hydraulics. At number 3, commercial diver, diving underwater for oil, construction, or salvage. You might think, that sounds dangerous. Yep, pays like it too. You could earn up to $90,000 plus, and hey, you can finally fulfill your childhood dream of becoming Aquaman. Minus the talking to fish part. At number 2, web developer, self-taught version, no degree? No problem. Learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or just copy-paste from Stack Overflow, and you could pull in $80,000 to $120,000 a year. And the best part? You can work in pajamas, sip coffee all day, and pretend you're Wi-Fi as a coworker. At number 1, air traffic controller. Arguably the most stressful job on earth, but also one of the best paid without a degree, $120,000 plus average salary. You're basically playing real-life Tetris with airplanes. Bonus points if you like yelling at pilots and having 0 free weekends. So there you have it, 5 jobs that can make your wallet happy, even if your diploma is still in your dreams. Whether you're diving deep, flying high, or coding from your couch, there's cash waiting for the bold and brave. And remember, a degree is nice, but a paycheck is nicer. Subscribe for more career hacks, and comment below. Which of these jobs would you totally do? If your wallet just got inspired, hit like. It's free.